Hello, welcome again to another episode on Chrys-O. Compliments of the season. We are chopping the chopping, we are eating the eating, we are drinking the drinking. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, happy everything, everything. And happy birthday to all those celebrating their birthdays. Well, and today I'm going to do something very simple and something very short. I'm going to look at Masters of Fine Arts, right? So, Masters of Fine Art, MFAs. So, if you're interested in creative writing, you're interested in translations, poetry, fiction, non-fiction writing, and etc. and etc. and etc. So, this video is for you. I'm going to present to you fully funded scholarships in the US mostly of programs in the US that are offering fully funded scholarship in Masters of Fine Arts, MFA. So, without further ado, let's get down to it. Anyways, for those of you who don't already know me, I remain Chris, and if you are visiting for the first time, thank you for coming in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So, like I said, we are going to be talking about fully funded scholarships for Masters of Fine Art. So, let's look around and see what's up. Now, the first school on our list is the Boise State University. The deadline for application to this program is every January 15th. The specializations they have for their Masters of Fine Art is fiction and poetry. They don't need GRE, and and then application fee is $65. Total $85 application fee, and for international student $115 US. That's exorbitant. And what is their funding like? Anyways, they give you $10,450 US per year. This includes tuition waiver, and during summer, of course, this applies to the normal funding in the US. During summer, you either apply for summer funding or you go and work. So they also have travel funds for this school, so in case you are interested. Now, the second school on our list is the Boston University. Deadline for application is February 1. Their track is also fiction and poetry. The graduate record exams is optional for this program, and application fee is $95 US dollars. They have application fee waiver. So how much are they offering in funding for this program? All admitted students are qualified for a global fellowship worth $4,500 to $500 upon completion of their degree, which allows to travel for 2 or 3 months anywhere outside of the United States, blah blah blah. So if you're interested, you can as well consider this school, Boston University. So the Boston University, alongside the 4,500 to 5,000 global fellowship they offer, give you 16,000 US dollar stipend and a tuition remission, including health insurance, for the 1-year duration of the program. So that is cool. Now, the third school on our list is the Bowling Green State University. They have the application fee is $75 US dollars. Deadline is January 15, 2021, and the track specialization of their program is fiction and poetry. They require GRE, but it might be waived if you ask them and give them genuine reasons. So they need your undergraduate education. Their funding is $11,500 US dollars, at least according to the 2020-2021 figures. I believe that it might have increased by now. So they cover everything, and the assistantships do not come with with health insurance, so you have to fend for that yourself. Okay, so that is that for Bowling Green State University. And we move on to the next school on our list. So the fourth school on our list is the Florida State University. Now the application deadline is January 15th. Application fee is very cool. It's $30, very cheap. They do not require GRE, and the funding they offer is $16,000 per year. $15,000 US per year. This also comes with tuition waivers, TAs, and TAs receive tuition waiver and 1,500 stipend every month, which totals around 16,000 per year. So students normally teach 2 courses in this program. Yeah, so anyways, there are other kinds of funding that students can apply for: Kingsbury Awards, FMU Graduate Feeder Scholarship Programs, Henderson Family Fellowship, Legacy Fellowships, etc. So you will see the link. I'll be leaving the link and everything. And then the fifth and final school on our list today is the University of Florida. Their deadline is January 15th. And the specialization is fiction and poetry. They do not require GRE, and the application fee is $30 US. And their funding is $24,000 per year for each of the 3 years of the program. Students pay fees of about $750 per semester during their 3 years in the program. Students teach courses in the English department and in the university writing program. So $24,000 tuition waivers and health insurance comes with the assistantship. So you are covered with health insurance, and they also give you travel funds should you want to go to Center for European Studies and Graduate Students Council. They offer travel funds. Anyways, that is that for today's episode. And if you want to follow up in today's episode, I listed about 5 schools in the US offering fully funded scholarships for Masters of Fine Arts. So if you're interested in fiction, non-fiction, playwright, creative writing and sort, then you might want to apply to Masters of Fine Arts in these schools. What are the names of these schools that I talked about in today's episode? First is Boise State University, second is Boston University, third is the Bowling Green State University, fourth is the Florida State University, and the fifth school I talked about today is the University of Florida. Each of these schools has full funding for their Masters of Fine Arts for the duration of their Masters of Fine Arts. So if you are interested, then give it a try. Anyways, if you have watched this point, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And again, compliment of the season. Have a great and wonderful festive season, festive experience. Bye-bye.